How to find your YouTube channel niche. Hello and welcome. Starting a YouTube channel is exciting, but finding the right niche is the key to long-term success. Your niche defines your content, attracts the right audience, and helps you stand out in a crowded platform. In this video, we'll explore how to choose a niche that aligns with your passion, performs well in YouTube's algorithm, and keeps viewers engaged. A YouTube niche is a specific category or topic that your channel consistently focuses on. Instead of making random videos, your niche helps establish your channel's identity. For example, instead of general fitness content, you might specialize in 10-minute home workouts for busy professionals or weight loss tips for new moms. Why your niche matters. First, audience clarity. A clear niche tells viewers exactly what to expect, increasing loyalty and subscriptions. Second, competitive edge. With over 114 million channels on YouTube, a niche helps you stand out. Third, algorithm boost. YouTube's algorithm favors channels with consistent themes, leading to more recommendations. Choosing a niche isn't just about trends. It should be something you genuinely enjoy and have knowledge in. You need to ask yourself questions like, first, what topics excite me the most? Is it tech reviews, personal finance, or travel vlogging? Second, what am I skilled or knowledgeable about? Is it digital marketing, DIY crafts, or fitness coaching? Third, can I create content on this topic for years? Sustainability is key to long-term growth. Fourth, am I authentic? Authenticity always wins. Viewers can tell when creators are passionate about their content, and that enthusiasm translates into higher engagement. Passion alone isn't enough. Your niche should also have a viable audience. You need to ask yourself some questions to know about the demand and competition in your chosen niche. First, are people searching for this topic? Use tools like YouTube Search and Google Trends. Second, how competitive is this niche? If big creators dominate, consider micro-niches like budget-friendly tech reviews instead of general tech reviews. Third, what content is performing well? Study successful videos and analyze their engagement. Before fully committing, test your niche by uploading a few videos and analyzing their performance. Pay attention to viewer retention rates, engagement through comments and shares, click-through rates on thumbnails. This real-world data will help you refine your content strategy before scaling. Once you've chosen your niche, focus on creating high-quality, consistent content. Optimize your channel with SEO-optimized video titles and descriptions. It's important to use eye-catching thumbnails, engaging storytelling, and editing, and also have regular posting schedule. A niche isn't a limitation, it's a roadmap to success. By choosing the right one, you can grow a dedicated audience, gain visibility in YouTube's algorithm, and turn your passion into a thriving channel. Thanks for watching.